welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to include no eyeshadow. So I am starting off with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime the skin for foundation. And then I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match foundation as my foundation base for my entire face. And I am blending it out with a Morphe foundation brush and a beauty blender. I kind of exchange in between the two. And yeah, I'm just going to continue to blend out. I am now going in with my concealer, and I am using the L'Oreal, the LA Pro Girl HD concealer. And I am just putting it in all of the normal spots. And again, blending out with my beauty blender. And then I went in with the little lighter shade to just brighten up the under eye. Okay, so now I'm going in with a setting powder that I won't name because I really didn't like how it turned out. My skin is just too dry for this specific setting powder, and I found it really difficult to blend and pretty much get off my face. Typically with my with the other or some other powders I've used, it was a lot easier to work with, but I kind of struggled with this one. But needless to say, moving on, I am using the Black Radiance Contour Palette to contour my face. And then at some point, I'm going to clean up that contour with the same powder that I won't mention, which was a mistake because my skin was just not... I think this is a perfect example of a person with dry skin not being able to use certain powders because my skin is just too dry and it just basically the powder attached to the dry patches. I'm now lining my eyes with eyeliner because it's no eyeshadow. You know, you got to go a little extra with the eyeliner. So I did a wing liner. And here I am trying to fix what can't be unfixed with the powders at this point. Now I'm going in with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I popped on some lashes. Now I am tight lining and waterlining with the Milani waterproof eyeliner. Alright, so now I am lining my lips with NYX Urban Cafe, I believe is the name of this specific lip liner. It's from the Professional collection. And then I am just going to try to blend out that lip liner a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a NYX lip gloss right on top. I think this is Creme Brulee, but I'm not sure. I will link the names of everything that I use in the description box below. So now I'm setting with the Morphe Continuous Spray, and that is the final look. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope y'all have a great 2020.